The best way and worst way to refuse someone who hits on you.
Be polite about it and play dumb. Huh? What? Let's have chai. Biscuit lao.
Tamanna, what's the worst way?
She's got something up her sleeve. She's trying how to politically frame it. Like without this person
without
figuring.
landing up into trouble. Dekho, nobody hits on me, okay? So
Oh.
The best way to break up with someone.
it's not you, it's me.
Hi, this is Pari, and finally, two girls on the Good Girls show that I've really wanted to interact with are finally here. Tamanna Bhatia and Dinah Penty. Hi, girls.
Hi.
We'll start with a little about your girlhood. ठीक है? तो उसके लिए मैं आप लोगों को ये देने वाली हूँ. This is called the Good Girls report card. Okay? So इस पे पहला section है I've been called. So कुछ words हैं and you have to tick the words that people have used for you. Growing up, abhi, kabhi bhi.
What if there's nothing here that I've been called?
Really?
Yeah.
I've been called a girl's girl. I've been called sarcastic and brave.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Dinah, what about you?
I could be called sarcastic, but only by people that know me well and know that I mean, But people that don't know me well will never know this because I'm very nice to people I don't know well. That's it. There's nothing else here that
Amazing. Talkative nahi, bossy nahi. Amazing. No. Wow. Okay. Word that you want to add here in this list. जो इस list में नहीं है लेकिन अक्सर लोगों ने आपके लिए use किया है.
Quiet, cold, unfriendly.
Unfriendly?
Yeah. Because people take like quietness and shyness and introvertedness for being unfriendly.
Correct.
I don't know why.
Also for being arrogant, I think.
Strange though, but true.
Also be?
पहला perception यही होता है कि इसमें बहुत attitude होगा है, बहुत arrogant
Who
होगी.
does she think she is? Arrogance तो बहुत है. Like
Okay.
what?
Tamanna, what about you? A word that you would want to add जो इसमें नहीं है.
So इसमें तो ऐसा कुछ है. What I actually want to be called is a calm woman.
Okay.
Like that doesn't exist. Like women have to always be like
Yeah.
third, no? So they can like do things. वो घर पे हैं तो घर संभाल रही हैं, काम पे है तो काम संभाल रही हैं.
Yeah.
But they say I'm yet to see a calm woman,
Correct.
not a neurotic woman. So I'd like to be called that someday.
Okay. The other section on this is feedback and remarks. Now this is about your report card in school when you were little girls. किस तरह के remarks हुआ करते थे? So a remark that was.
I was a damn good student and a really good like kid in school. All my whole childhood, I was a very good kid. I don't think I ever gave my parents trouble. They're really lucky to have had me.
Yeah. So your remarks would have been good girl.
Yeah. Good girl, quiet girl, good at her studies, very attentive in class. I used to always be the monitor, and I was the responsible kid.
Correct.
Yeah, it was always that.
Okay. Tamanna?
I used to make teachers cry with the composition I would write.
Wow.
And I would get like, so I think it was storytelling. That's what I was good at as a kid, and I would get a lot of praise for that.
Okay. The other part is a remark that you wished for. ऐसा कुछ जो कभी आपसे कहा नहीं गया, कभी आपके लिए लिखा नहीं गया, but you would have liked to hear that about yourself when you were a little girl.
Because I was quiet, I didn't have a very loud voice. But also I was always very good in my studies, and I used to, do very well as a student. So technically, I was always considered to be like the lead. You know those what do you call them? Yeah, like head girl and
Head
like all
girl,
those prefects and all of that. But I used to never actually become them because they thought that I was too quiet.
Okay.
So I always wished that I had become, it was always like one of those things that you aimed to be, right?
Correct.
In the 9th and the 10th, when you like aimed to be one of the blue house or the green house or whatever those they were.
Yeah.
The leader.
Yeah.
And I never got it because they would always say, no, she's such a good student, but she's too quiet. Her voice won't travel, so she won't be able to like control the kids. So yeah, I used to always feel very bad.
Yeah. Tamanna?
मेरा बचपन बहुत सही था. मैंने बड़े समोसे खाए हैं, कैंटीन में टाइम पास किया है. I had a great school life. I had very supportive teachers, and I had started working while I was in school. So my teachers were actually almost like hand in glove helping me to like complete my projects so that I give my 10th grade.
Yeah.
But I think one thing that was very interesting about my childhood and my school life was that I never made it to the drama class.
Okay.
I was always told that I can't act.
Why?
What?
It's just something that yeah. But I would like to, so I would do it anyway.
Yeah.
And I would perform, and I would find ways of performing. I was on stage. I would always dance, but I would never sort of get the acting parts. And I would, but I would always still. Then I started doing theatre soon after because मुझे school में करने नहीं मिलता था. Then I joined Prithvi Theatre so that I could do theatre.
Yeah. Interesting. Wow. Coming to the show, Do You Want a Partner?
Yeah.
I just feel, see, it's two women coming together and starting a beer business. अब मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अगर ये show कुछ सालों पहले बनता, let's say if it was 10 years ago, I don't think these two women or you both would have been the lead characters. You would have been the bad girls in this particular show.
Why? Because you're starting a beer business. Women and alcohol. Ooh, very bad.
Just because there are two women who thought of starting, chalo ek alcohol business start karte. Do you guys agree? Like, what would have happened if the show was being made 10 years ago?
I think people have been culturally shocked.
है ना?
I don't think that people would have been ready for a show like this 10 years ago.
Yeah. कभी आप लोगों से कहा गया be a good girl, or was there any pressure that you felt of about कि यार I have to be a good girl?
Oh yeah, I've always been a good girl, and I have people telling me not to be a good girl. So just break out of it a little bit, be a little bad or naughty sometimes. So
Yeah.
I've always had the opposite problem. I'm a little goody two shoes, a little bit extra.
Yeah, you actually have been the OG good girl. Like you are Meera.
I suppose. I mean, not to that extreme, but generally, I'm one to conform to laws and norms and rules, and yeah, I don't like breaking. I feel it gives me like too much stress
Correct.
and like mental, like I get yeah, I would just not be comfortable.
Tamanna, have you tried to break any good girl rule?
I think I did have the good girl syndrome growing up, but it didn't last too long. But I think it didn't come from a rebellious space. It just came from a space that I was feeling like I was stifling my real voice. And I would never like to take up too much space, and I would like to just stay kind of I was subservient in that sense. I would like listen to instructions that were given. I would feel validated when someone felt like I was a good person. But I think the moment I realized that people don't give you work because you're a good person and they give it to you because you know your job,
Yeah.
I think that moment was a breakthrough for me. After that, I never ever, cared for what people think of me as a person.
Correct.
But I did think of what people thought of me as a professional.
एक moment होता है वो in our lives where that switch just flips and you're like, you're done. Okay, so because this is Do You Want a Partner, I want to ask you that what is one non-negotiable for you in a partner? It could be any setting, चाहे वो business में हो, चाहे वो work space में हो, चाहे वो romantic setting में हो, चाहे वो friendship में हो. एक non-negotiable एक partner में आपके लिए क्या है?
I think any partner, like a work partner, any partner in any capacity, I think मुझसे ना झूठ बर्दाश्त नहीं होता. Like I think I am okay with knowing if something has gone wrong or some mistake is there or some problem is there. I'm all for problem solving. I'm like, you commit a murder, I'll help you like cover up, But
Yeah.
I just feel like I can't handle. I'm not very good at handling people who lie.
Lie.
Yeah.
Okay. What about
Same, honesty.
Same.
Trust and honesty is just non-negotiable.
Yeah, so that's a deal breaker.
In any kind of equation.
Correct.
It just really makes me very angry when people lie to my face and think that I'm stupid enough to believe it.
I think that's the bigger problem.
yeah.
That if people think you're stupid,
Yeah.
Correct.
it's not about the lying also. It's just about you thought that I would
That
not
I'll fall
understand.
for this shit.
Yeah. I think that's
Correct.
a universal theme.
Right. I have a fun segment for you now, which is called Who Would You Partner With If You Had to? Who would you partner with if you had to start a bakery?
That could be a dream of mine. Imagine
Done.
eating
Diana.
every cake in that
तू
bakery.
खा जाएगी तू सब कुछ खा जाएगी. No, she's the wrong person.
No?
Who would I
She
partner?
eats the
I
bakes
would,
instead
no,
of
I would
selling them.
I would find somebody who's who's completely A at their confectionery game. Like I would do proper research and find somebody. And
Okay.
partner with that person.
Okay. Who would you partner with if you had to open a salon?
I'm very like I'm a solopreneur vibe. You know? I'm actually in real life, like if you leave me to myself, I'm a solopreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, so I would do it on my own.
Okay. Launch a fashion label
That I do myself.
yourself.
Yeah, I would love to. It's something that's on my mind and I really want to do it. So if there's anything I get into, it would be like starting my own fashion line or something.
Interesting. Okay. Start a beauty or skincare brand.
I'll only do it.
Yeah.
Who to partner? I really wanted to partner with my best friend for makeup because she was a makeup artist. She is a makeup artist. Rama Singh was. She's a makeup artist. So, but skin and all that, I'm actually working on something of my own. So I understand that while I would like to play this rapid fire, the fact is not about the genre of the business, but it's also about the actual, the back end of the business. And that you can't do with people who might understand the product, but they might not understand the business behind it.
Right. Right. Is there anybody you would partner with if you had to host a podcast?
Yeah, that's a good one.
To think of a chatterbox. Somebody will. Tamanna!
I was like, you have to think.
She was like waiting. Chatterbox. Who do I know?
There we go, sitting right next to me.
And she's that person who she'll talk and she'll be like, मैं थक गई हूँ अभी तू बात
Can you just please continue this conversation? I'll go to my phone.
Okay, and last one, both of you can answer it collectively. Open a restaurant.
I have a friend who I always wanted to open a restaurant with.
Yeah?
Yeah, but वो नहीं हुआ. We wanted a restaurant and a florist outside. I don't know why. ये बचपन के प्लान है. तो कभी पूरे नहीं होते. होने भी नहीं चाहिए.
Yeah, Diana, is there anybody?
It has to be a foodie.
Yeah,
because
foodie,
otherwise
correct.
there's no joy or fun in opening a restaurant with somebody who's on a diet permanently.
Yeah.
That's true. It has to be like somebody who's on the same page when it comes to food.
Yeah. How is a female partnership, a female friendship different from any other partnership?
You don't have to explain the obvious. You know, some things are just understood within women. At least the ones I'm experiencing right now, there's a lot more empathy. There's a lot more understanding within women who bond. And they're happy to like hear your idea of the problem.
Idea of the problem,
Yeah, it's
correct.
like because there is the problem and then there is the idea of the problem. And what you feel about the problem. So your women are always happy to hear how you feel about it.
Correct.
They are also not like so invested in the problem itself, but your perspective is very important to them.
Yeah, correct. And I also feel that they don't always provide solutions. Like
They're like, you're right. And you're like, yes.
I mean, I honestly think all equations are independent of each other. So a guy and a guy would have their own thing going, and a girl and a girl would have their own thing going.
Sure.
And they're different in their own ways and also very similar in their own ways. Actually, guys are very much like women in a lot of ways. You know, like I'm talking about guy friendships.
Correct.
They pretend to be cool and all, but actually a lot of boys also sit and gossip and, you know, hang out and chat about other people
boys
and all.
Gossip more with their female friends, and they share.
Yeah,
about
so we
feelings
all
more
have,
than-
you know, we all have the ability to be like each other in a lot of ways,
Yeah.
and equations are very similar in a lot of ways.
Correct.
So,
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें हमेशा से women have always been taught to or raised or conditioned to compete with each other. Rarely have women been conditioned to collaborate with each other, and that's why you know things like एक औरत की दुश्मन होती है, or two girls cannot get along, or two actresses cannot get along. I feel that this is just a perception that has been fed to us, which is not true. And I see women actually breaking this cycle now. Do you agree?
frankly, I feel I've been introduced to this concept only in this industry because I never grew up like that. Like in school, I went on all-girls school, and I had a lot of girlfriends, and we never competed. We were all really good friends in a workspace. Now, I've never had a corporate job, so I wouldn't know. But maybe that's a place where maybe women, there's less competition within women.
Yeah.
But I have not experienced that, and this concept of two women can't be friends was only introduced to me like when I entered this industry, and you keep hearing people around you say it so much that you end up believing it. But in reality, that's not really happening to me because I'm friends with a lot of other actors who are also women. So I have never really experienced. Of course, I do get a sense that not everybody is inclined to get along with everybody.
Which
but
is fair. That's
everywhere.
human, right?
It's human.
Correct.
In any industry, in any space. So, yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's a bit like you're saying. It's fed
It's
to
fed,
you, and you make you're eventually you end up believing it because it's told to you so often.
Yeah.
See, I have a more basic issue on this thing, which is very simple. That in my head, your work is a different sphere of your life, in the sense that if you are put into, if you're running a race, like actually running a race, I'm saying physically running a race with your best friend, okay, you love her, but when you're running with her in a race, are you going to be like, नहीं मैं slow चलती हूँ, तुम fast चलो? नहीं, आप रेस कर रहे हो, आप जब रेस करते हो आप फास्ट ही चाहते हो और आप जीतने की कोशिश करते हो. तो रेस में इसमें मॉरलिटी घुसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप वो कंपटीशन छोड़ के आप दूसरे आपका फ्रेंडशिप नहीं निभाओगे.
Correct.
I'm saying even in a running race.
Yeah.
So in a professional sphere, competing on a professional level is different than wishing bad for somebody. Am I wishing bad for my contemporary कि यार इसकी पिक्चर फेल हो जाए या ये अच्छा ना करे? ये होता है किसी का बुरा सोचना, बुरा करना. But क्या आप उनके दुख दर्द नहीं बांट सकते या उनके दोस्त नहीं हो सकते? No, you can be friends. At the same time, if you're put into an arena where you have to compete, you will compete because that's your duty there.
Yeah.
So I think there is a confusion between what is friendship. Friendship is not अपने दोस्त को protect करना, ठगना नहीं, and being there for when they need you. But when it is time for competition, that is a different sphere, and you will compete. And there's nothing wrong. I don't want to whitewash this and say that no, I will not compete. I will let my best friend take my role. No, I won't. I'll compete for it.
Yeah.
So I feel like in my head, they have never been morally the same thing. Okay. They're two different spheres. So while you can be friends with a competitor, and you can also still be and you can also still compete. Completely like doing your job.
Yeah. Fair. Okay, we'll end with one last segment, which is called best way, worst way. So मैं आपको कुछ situations देने वाली हूँ, and you have to tell me what's the best way and the worst way to deal with each. Okay. The best way and worst way to refuse someone who hits on you.
I mean, I suppose be polite about it and play dumb. Like you never got it only in the first place. Huh? What? Let's have chai. Biscuit lao.
Okay, Tamanna, what's the worst way, according to you, to refuse somebody?
She's got something up her sleeve.
I can see that.
She's trying how to politically frame it. Like without this person
without
figuring
landing up into trouble. Dekho, nobody hits on me, okay? So.
Oh, sympathy. Yeah, so sad.
Sympathy, she said.
Someone hit on me, guys.
Okay. Best way and worst way to shut a troll.
Ignore.
Shut your phone.
Okay, yeah. Ignorance is bliss. That's the best way. What's the worst way to deal with it? To shut it.
Make it a big
घर चले जाओ.
Hunt him down.
में चले गए आप.
Make an antithesis to fan.
Okay. To say no to a script or a director. What's the best way to do it?
Dates.
Dates नहीं है.
I have had this wonderful experience. I actually go and tell them what I want and what I'm not getting. And I've made friends with people who have said no to.
Wow.
Because I've been honest about what I don't like.
I completely agree that honesty is the best way to do it. I don't know why they advise you otherwise, because there's this whole idea that people don't want to hear the truth and whatever. But I think that's so stupid, because I feel in this day and age, everybody knows that you have an opinion, that you're allowed to like something and not like something. Just because you're making a film doesn't mean everybody has to love it, right?
Right.
So I think it's absolutely, in fact, the right thing to do to say, hey, I read it and it's not for me because blah 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 blah.
Correct.
I don't feel, I don't relate to it. I don't relate to the world. I don't relate to the character. It's not something I'm looking at playing right now. I think it's great, but a lot of people just cite dates. So
So what's the worst way to do that?
I think saying your story is bad.
Okay.
Nobody likes to hear that, even if it's the worst story.
Right. Correct. It doesn't work for me is something.
It's just that you might think it's a bad story, but जो बना रहा है उसको मुगले आज़म ही लगेगी. तो उसको आप नहीं बोल सकते कि it's the worst story.
Yeah.
Correct.
खराब है.
Yeah. To deal with a bad review, what's the best way?
Take the constructive criticism out of it and do something with it. You know, there's always there's learning from every. Some of them are they just get personal for no reason, and there's no constructive criticism in there. So I'm not talking about those, but the ones that actually do give you something to work on, you should. I mean, look at it that way. You know, see, hey, what can I learn from this? Maybe this person has a point.
Yeah.
And look at it from that perspective and improve yourself based on that.
And the worst way to deal with a bad review?
Go into a corner and cry.
Go into a
corner and cry.
Man, this is what they said about me. They hate me.
Okay. The best and worst way to break up with someone?
It's not you, it's me. It's the universally accepted way.
No? It's not you. No, that's not the best way. Yeah, but that's a universally used.
It's a universally accepted way of breaking up with somebody politely.
Yeah. Correct. And what's the worst way to do it?
Over WhatsApp.
Over a message. Yeah. Or probably ghosting, right? Like ghosting could be mean.
No, I think WhatsApping is even worse.
It's worse than ghosting, you say, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't think this is working out. Bye.
Block. Done. Okay, to ask someone out, the best way to do it.
I don't know. Those days of my
way over.
Find something creative, na?
Yeah, or I feel like just like be upfront about it and ask. I feel like it's the best way to ask someone out. Like just be straightforward.
Yeah, no? Why beat around the bush?
इस उम्र पे आके आप लोग एक दूसरे को पूछते हैं वैसे कि ये बात करते करते हो जाता types.
Yeah, and you get a sense, right?
Yeah, so you know that you're vibing or not vibing.
Yeah, not vibing.
And so it's kind of like if it's happening, you'll know it's happening. And if it's not happening, then it's like weird.
And silly to ask.
Yeah, then probably don't ask.
Last two. The best or worst way to be on a first date with someone?
Be yourself.
Yeah. Correct. And the worst?
Not be yourself. Pretend to be somebody that
also be yourself.
Not.
The worst way is also be yourself. Yeah. Like don't be too much.
Too much somewhere in the middle.
Okay. And the last thing. The best or worst way to negotiate a raise or a deal?
I think the best way is to show them how much they need you or help them realize how much they actually need you.
How do you do
And then be like, I'm out of here, bye. And then they have to call you back and be like, no, we'll give you what
But
you
वो
want.
skill है ना, like कैसे करते हैं? मैंने आज तक नहीं सीखा है. Okay, and the worst way?
Yeah, if you look desperate, then that's definitely going to
not get you anywhere. Yeah.
Worsen your chances of getting something you want.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, this was the last one actually. And just to close, let's say if the younger you came right in front of you, what would she be the most surprised at looking at you?
I think she'd be surprised that I'm an actor.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I don't think at that age I would have ever imagined, dreamed, or even casually thought that one day I was going to be an actor. It was just so far removed from anything that was on my radar.
Yeah. Nice. Tamanna?
I think my younger self would be like, तुम अब तक ऐसी मतलब same level पे काम कर रही हो, because I was always somebody who's just like I love laborious work. I don't know why. It's a weird thing. I'm like a mazdoor inside. So I don't know. I like that. So my younger self would be like, तुम अब तक नहीं बदली. अब तक तो बदलना चाहिए.
Yeah, and you want to see a calm woman, you said.
Yeah, I would want to see a calm, non-neurotic.
Non-neurotic. Thank you so much. Finally, there's one ritual that I have on the show.
Yes.
So there's a ritual which is I give a sunflower to every girl who speaks to me on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And it's for both of you.
So pretty.
And sunflowers are my favorite, by the way.
Really?
I was just going to say, I love something. They just bring me happiness. There's something so vibrant about it.
Long way to go, a week of interactions. I hope this helps.
This
the
helps.
sunflower energy. Thank you so much and wish you all the best for Do You Want a
you.
Partner? Please do watch it.
Thank you so
And
much.
we hope you love it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.